So I haven't been outside since Friday, and I decided to go outside today just to get some fresh air and run some errands. If y'all don't have to go outside, don't go outside. It is cold out here. You see I got my earmuffs, my scarf, my coat, my hoodie, and my thermos. And this pile of snow, find as many paths as you can to walk through. The buses are still delayed. My daughter left on time. She still got to school a few minutes late. So if you don't have to go out, don't go out. Please pray for the asthmatics, the elderly, the children that's traveling to and from school, and the asthmatics. Be safe out there and stay warm. Love you all. Talk to you soon. This is the track where the White House is at. But it ain't no joke. I look at these mountains of snow. It's no joke out here. See, they have a path. So I'm walking through every path I can get through. Be safe out here, y'all. Stay warm.